Here's a 2017 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, AM/FM satellite radio, power sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver points out the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.